You can easily create a stunning 5-star rating system that will impress your users, and I'll show you how in just a few minutes. Did you know that a simple star rating system can greatly enhance user interaction on your website? Let's create one together. In this video, you will learn how to build a 5-star rating system using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This feature can improve user engagement and provide valuable feedback. The challenge you'll face is how to create an intuitive and visually appealing rating system that users can easily interact with. You can easily create a stunning 5-star rating system that will impress your users, and I'll show you how in just a few minutes. To wrap up, you'll summarize the steps taken to create the rating system and emphasize the importance of user feedback in web development. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and check out my other videos on web development tutorials in the description below.